This video aims to provide guidance to all new users of the DMARC Manager application on how to navigate the reporting tool for the first time. For data to appear in the DMARC Manager, it is necessary to publish a valid DMARC record with a RURA address pointing to our service. This is the first time you log into the application. By default, you will land in my first space. This space should be empty. Spaces allow you to structure and efficiently organize the domain in your account. This space structure will make it easier to use other solution features such as access control. You can navigate from one space to another by clicking on the top menu bar. As you can see, by default, your account has been created with two spaces, my first space and the inbox. The idea behind the inbox is to store in these spaces all new domains discovered in the DMARC data that have yet to be moved in one of your predefined space. The inbox would help you to keep data pollution from subdomain abuse to a minimum. To move a domain to a space, you will need to use the contextual menu located on the right-hand side. Click on it. You can move this domain to another space. So you click on it, select the space, click move, and the domain will be moved to the appropriate space. To do a bulk move, you click on the drop-down menu located next to add domain, click on move, select all the domains you would like to move, click on next, click on the space you would like to move them to, click on next, and move and confirm this via the dialog box. To delete a domain from the inbox, you can go to the contextual menu, delete domain, or alternatively, if you would like to bulk delete, you can use the delete domain wizard. And based on criteria, you can then delete domains that are present in the inbox. I'm now going to navigate to my first space, where we have moved all the domains we would like to monitor. So they all appear here under the domain overview. What we can decide to do now is to group these domains depending on criteria. So you go to groups. By default, we have created two groups, the sending domains and the non-sending domain. Should you wish to add an additional group, click on group, give it a custom name, and then you can decide if this will group non-sending domains. So you then tick that box. If not, you just leave that box blank. Click on add, and this will create a custom group. To move your domains in different groups, you can either do it one by one via the contextual menu, add to group, or you can use the drop-down menu here located to bulk group domains. Click on it. I'm going to take the first few domains. Next, I'm going to put them into the sending domains group. Click on it. And then we'll do the same for the non-sending domains. By clicking on here, you can see which domains still have to be grouped. So it makes it a little bit easier to see what you still have to do. Alternatively, you go to group domains. You can see that there's no group allocated here. So you select the ones that you would like to move to the non-sending group. And here you go. It is important to note that you're not limited to do two spaces. There is a possibility to add additional space. To do so, you need to have admin right in the account. Click on the account management toggle on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Click on space, add space, give it a name. Click on add. This will automatically create the space that you've requested. And the last thing you have to do is to make sure that all your users that are authorized to have access to this account are set up properly by going onto the contextual menu, click on Edit User, and select in the list all the users that are allowed to access this space and therefore monitor the domains that are placed in that custom space. Now that you've cleaned up your inbox, I would like to show you how to access your DMARC data. To do so, you can click on the report button located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will give you an overview of all the domains for the last 7 days by default. You can extend that period of time by using the drop-down menu to 30 days or 60 days. The 30-day volume is the data of 30 consecutive days where we've got complete volume. Alternatively, you can also go for a different period of time by selecting a custom start date and a custom end date. Depending on your license, you can access 3 months data or a year data. Should you wish to focus specifically on one given domain, you can always type the domain name here and click apply. Optional filters are also available that will filter on DMARC, SPF, DKIM, including selector, and other. So this is just for the reporters only. Alternatively, to access the data, you can go back to your domains overview and you click on the icon located to the domain you would like to view the data from. So click here. This will automatically give you the DMARC data for the last 30 days volume, so 34 days of data that we've got available. If you scroll down, you will then get information about the numbers of senders, the volume in the last 30-day volume, where those emails have been landed, the DMARC compliance, the SPF alignment, and the DKIM alignment. If we scroll down, we've classified the data in 3 categories: the identified senders, forward and unaligned traffic, and threats on no. If we look at the identified senders, by default, you have the simple view. So that means that if you click on one of the suppliers, you will have information that is easy to follow and easy to use to make decisions about the DMARC compliance of the email source. Alternatively, you can go into more details by clicking on Expert View. And this will give you more information, enriched or not, about the XML data that we have received.